I'm about to restore this pan with some salt, some coarse sea salt, and half a potato. I bought this pan for $2 at the metal yard. There's a scrap yard in about every city. People scrap metal. You go down there, you talk to the people, there's a good chance they'd sell you something like this for, like I said, $2. And they don't make pans like this anymore. And this is a good one too. You can see it coming loose now. You don't have to use a potato. You could use all kinds of, you could use steel wool if you wanted to. A little elbow grease. It's starting to come out. I'm gonna wipe it out now. Wipe it out into the garbage can. A lot of it come out. I'm gonna do the bottom. I'm breaking out the steel wool, or whatever you want to call this stuff. Yeah, this rust is a little thick. See, this is a Lodge. It's a good pan right here, man. It'd be terrible to let this thing go to waste in a scrap yard. I'm gonna rinse it out, dry it off, and then I'll come back to you whenever we go to season it. Alright, so if you get this pan wet, you want to immediately dry it, because water is what causes rust. A lot of people say don't ever get it wet. Well, I want to wash crap off of it. This thing was from the dump, from the scrap yard. So I'm gonna dry it with a towel. So it don't rust any further. Now we got it dried. I'm gonna get another rag, clean one. We want to, I'm using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, peanut oil, anything that has oil in the name of it. You can't use motor oil though, as I don't think that's too good for you. But you want to get this good and oiled. Every part of this pan, even the outside. You want oil all over it completely. Even the handle for now. You can wipe that handle off with a dry rag later, but we're gonna season this. And basically, by seasoning it, we wipe oil all over it, and then we heat it up and cook the pan by itself, really high heat. I'm gonna do this on my grill, because my grill gets to be about 700 degrees, and that's hotter than my oven will get. And we're gonna cook that oil into that pan. I'll show you a different angle once we throw this on the grill. Alright, you can do this on an oven rack. You put the oven on about 400 or 500 degrees, somewhere in there. Do it over a campfire, anywhere where there's heat. I'm going to turn all three burners on. I'm going to leave it on here for about, I don't know, 7 minutes, maybe 10, until it starts smoking. You can tell the oil's burning off and burning into it. Once that happens, it's seasoned and you're good to cook on it. So you can see it's only been on for about four or 5 minutes. It's already at 550, and it's good enough for me. It's good and seasoned. I'll flip it over and show you. I'm going to wipe it down with oil again after it cools down, and then I'm going to use it whenever I need to. After you're done using it, just wipe it out with a paper towel or something, and you're good to go.